In case you are wondering how to change the time on your Volkswagen, here's a how-to demonstration for you using the touchscreen in a Golf 8. A nice feature in the Golf 8 is being able to choose what clock face you want when your screen is turned off. This is the same with a lot of other Volkswagen models and not just the Golf 8. When the screen is turned on and you see your main app home screen, scroll down and you will see Settings. Select this app option and in there you'll see the option for time and date. Select into time and date and here you can make all of your alterations. This car is set to manual, but you can change that to automatic and make sure you have your correct time zone selected. Always select the time zone before changing to automatic, as once selected, the time zone option is greyed out so you can't amend it. Simply scroll through the hours on the time option to change it, and you can also choose whether you want to see the time in 12 hours or 24 hours. Right down at the bottom is the option to be notified should you cross into another time zone, for instance, if you were to drive abroad. All time zones are available to choose from, so if you do like to drive abroad, you can always ensure your car is displaying the correct time and date. And that's it. If you do experience any issues or have any questions, please do get in touch and our Volkswagen team will be happy to help.